Do you need to replace one of the bulbs found in your Toyota Corolla's headlight? Then check out this video to find out how. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2008 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to be showing you how to replace each of the light bulbs found in the headlights. So in these we've got obviously our turn signal bulb here, we've got our dipped beam here, and we've got our main or full beam there. Now this should be the same process for all models from 2006 all the way through to 2012, but the main telltale will be if your headlights look like this. So relatively simple job to do, and you're only going to need a flat screwdriver, and I'll show you why in a second. So I'm just going to open up the bonnet and we'll get started. And for those of you who don't know how to open up your bonnet, just go into the driver's side and pull this lever here. And once you've done that, we're going to put our hand in just above the Toyota badge and push that lever there to the left. And then we're going to open up your bonnet fully and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Now this is where I said that you are going to need a flat screwdriver. So what we need to do is actually remove this piece of trim here, which actually covers both headlights. So you can just remove about half and bend it out of the way, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and remove the whole thing. So it's nice and simple. All you need to do is push your screwdriver in there, give it a bit of a twist, and that allows you to actually remove these clips. Now on this vehicle, there's probably been off a couple of times and some of the clips are missing. So you'll notice that I don't have one here or here, but I do have one here, here and here. So I'm just going to go ahead and undo each of those. And once you've done each of those, you should be able to just lift this up out the way. So there are some locating clips just at the front there, which slide onto this piece. So you kind of pull it back, and I'm just going to put that somewhere safe. Okay, and here's the part that's going to be a little bit difficult to film because I'm doing this on my own. But just to show you, it is the same process on both sides. And Toyota have been nice and kind and have made a couple of removable parts for you. So first off, we'll start this side. Now you'll notice that my washer fluid reservoir actually doesn't have a clip in it. And that's like the rest of the clips that seem to be missing on this car. But that allows me to just take that funnel off. And that gives me pretty free access just behind there with my hand. And I'll show you what's on the other side. So this one does have a clip, but this is just the cold air feed that we're going to be able to just take off nice and simply as well. So just pull that clip off like you did with the others, and then you can just rotate that off like that. And again, that just gives us a clear sort of angle to get our hand in there. So I will just show you on this side because it looks like it's a little bit clearer. So just looking at the back of the light here, we've actually got one of our headlights here. So this is the main beam, and you're just going to do a quarter of a turn and get that out like that. And then there's just a button on the back there that will allow that to come loose. Okay, so just to show you that bulb there. So this is a HB3 and this is our main beam bulb. And there's just a little clip on the back that you press in, and that allows you to actually remove the bulb. So there's obviously nothing wrong with this bulb, so I'm just going to go ahead and put that back in, making sure we don't touch it with our hands, and then just put it in. And you need to find which way around it goes, and then just do a quarter turn to lock it in. So just to show you the next one, just got to go a little bit further in. And then that is the next one. So this is our dipped beam, slightly bigger bulb, but actually less powerful. So again, just going to push in that button on the back there. So I don't know if you can see, so that button on the back there. There we go. And then that is actually a HB4 bulb. And that is our dipped beam. They're still nice and easy to get to, and nice and easy to change. Just locating it back in now, making sure you get the orientation around the right way, so you'll know because it'll push in further. So you do have to turn it around a bit just to make sure the tabs line up. Just struggling with that at the moment. No, that's not the right way. There we go. That one's locked in. And then the final one is just over in the corner here. We're just going to turn it with our thumbs. And then that allows you to remove this bulb here, which is just a peanut bulb, which is a large peanut bulb for your turn signal. Now what I'd recommend with these is you get a little bit of rag, you just pop it over the bulb and give it a bit of a tug to replace. And then again, just putting that one back in, locate in, then do a quarter turn. So there we go. I hope that's clear enough on camera. You do have to then go and put these back on. So like I say, nice and simple. That one just clicks in like that, making sure it's sealed all the way around. And then we're going to put that clip back in there. Easier said than done when you're doing it one-handed. There we go. And then I'm going to put my washer reservoir one back, assuming that I've done this one as well. Just making sure that dipstick goes back in there. And then of course getting our trim from earlier. And like I say, we've just got to make sure these locating tabs at the front lock in and come forward. There you go, that one's locked in all the way around. Just making sure this one goes on okay. Very hard doing it one-handed, there we go. And then we're going to continue to go ahead and put those clips back in, which should be really simple to do. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the light bulbs on the front of a Toyota Corolla from 2008. Hopefully that video was clear enough for you. If it was, please give me the thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.